In my video tutorial, I will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the ransomware called Grounding Conductor. Grounding Conductor is a ransomware that may damage the files. My video, though, is solely for the educational purposes. I'm not related to this ransomware. In the video, I will demonstrate to you what happens with the files if they get damaged and encrypted by this ransomware. So I'm not associated with this ransomware. I got this sample of this ransomware on the virus total database, which is controlled and owned by Google. Anyway, before the ransomware attack, users are able to open their files without troubles. But because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities, this is what happens with the files. You try to open them and you can't open them. So this ransomware encrypts the files and damages them. It's not possible to use the data anymore. The ransomware tells the victims to pay a special ransom, but we urge you not to do that, not to pay the ransom. I recommend you to remove this ransomware immediately with the help of reliable antivirus. I recommend you to use Combo Cleaner Antivirus for this purpose. Get it on the page combocleaner.com. Download it, install it, and then start researching the computer. The program is initially in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. After the antivirus database is successfully updated, click on the Start Scan button and the program begins scanning, researching, and investigating the computer. Then the scanning will begin and it will take some time, of course. The scanning duration depends on various factors. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned. It may depend on how infected the system is. Anyway, at the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of the threats. You'll be able to know their locations. Consider that you upgrade to premium, and with premium license you can request for the free trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner. Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files. It only helps to remove the ransomware and to protect the data. So, speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video which will give you more information on how to protect your files.